Good morning everybody, and welcome to the allotments and Islands Park. Let me introduce you to the Chowdhury allotment. It's plot number 25. Let me show you what I've done. So to begin with, these are just some fruit plants. As you can see, this has got some leaves, and this one and this one, these are all either gooseberries or raspberries. And then let me show you my strawberry plantation. As you can see, it started to flower, so we might have some strawberries this year. This particular plot has not been very successful. Can't remember what Bilky said these were, probably some red spinach. However, this plot of redug. This plot is empty. Might put some tomatoes in there. Got some more baby ones at home. These are my tomato plants. As you can see, they're looking quite well and healthy. There's quite a few of them here. And then these are the baby ones. These were grown directly from a tomato, so that none of these are shell bought. All nurtured from a seed, straight from the plant. Here we have some Bangladeshi Mishti Lau, I believe they're called. A few of them there. And then these are the good old British beans. Petit pois. Courgettes ain't looking too healthy, but new leaves are growing. That's a pepper, I believe. There's another courgette plant here, and as you can see, I think that is a corn that's about to grow. Well, actually two of them, so oh no, three. There we go, there's a third baby corn there. So yeah, tomatoes are looking good. These are some spring onions. We had some garlic in here, but I don't think we're going to see anything anytime soon. And these are some potatoes. And have a look at this. I'm particularly proud of this tree. I bought this for, guess how much? Yep, 1 whole pound. I believe it's an apple tree. At the time when I bought it, it just had a fruit tree and nobody knew what it was, so fingers crossed. Let me take you across. Look at these bad boys. Some more potatoes. Roast potatoes for Christmas. Here again we have some onions growing. And again, not very successful garlics. Bilky stuck a couple of muki in here. God knows what she was expecting, but we'll see. Yeah, coriander. Then creme de la creme, some more laugas. Hopefully these are now weathered and they've acclimatized to the conditions of the great outdoors. They've been out here for possibly 2 to 3 weeks, I think. Yeah, this died and came back to life. This has been out here since the start of May. It died. There was 4 of them. They all died, and this one somehow miraculously has come back to life. And then there's another one. Yeah. Let me introduce you to my sangari. Let me show you what I've got. Some more laugas. I think these are the ones that you call khodu, and the other ones, those ones were mitalau. Some more broad beans. This is an empty spot. We have some Bangladeshi uri bisi growing at home. Possibly one more laugas, so I might stick them in there. These are some more uri, well, beans, British beans. These ones don't look great condition, but as you can see, it's climbing, so it survived. Here we have some, but I won't tell you. You'll see in a few months, hopefully. This one's going to be a surprise if it survives. But yep, that's my sangari, built from scratch. This is an empty plot. However, the frames, I'm considering, if it's successful, might build a greenhouse here. Oh, there's my trimmer. This is all my stuff that's decomposting, so fresh compost. This is where I hide my stuff. This is a watering bucket. Yeah, let me give you final 360. All I need now is a shed and hopefully a greenhouse. Right, this is the first video, signing off.